Now let's see how you can find the area of a triangle in different cases. So the first case is when two sides and an included angle is given to you, which means that let's look at this first formula. And let's just look at all three of them actually. It says half of BC into sine alpha, which means half of, if a side BC are given to you, then it's necessary that the angle must be alpha, because alpha is the angle that BC make. So for example, if you have this triangle over here, right? Say this is your angle alpha. The side opposite to alpha is the side A, and the other two sides are B and C, right? So this angle that is opposite to this side B is beta, and this side that is opposite to side C is gamma. So if the sides B and C are given to you, it is necessary that the angle that is given to you must be alpha, because those two sides B and C make this angle alpha. Similarly, if you're using this formula, half of AB into sine gamma, that means that if the sides A and B are given to you, A and B, then the angle that must be given to you must be gamma, because that's the angle that A and B make. Similarly, if A and C are given to you, beta must be given. And yeah, all three of these formulas are valid. Just half of two sides being multiplied into the sine of the angle that the two sides make, right? It's the same for all three, and all three are valid for the area of a triangle. Now, let's look at case 2. Case 2 is when you have one side given to you and three angles. All three angles of the triangle are given to you along with one side. Then you can use these formulas. Let's say you have this triangle over here, right? Let's say this is angle alpha. Let's say this is angle beta. And let's say this is angle gamma. The side opposite to alpha is A, this is B, and this is C. Let's say you're given the side A. Well, you can use this formula, the first one. A squared into sine of the first angle that is not opposite to A, which is beta, into sine the second angle that is not opposite to A, gamma, over 2 sine the angle that is opposite to the side A. Now let's look at the second one, right? Just to make it clearer. This is also equal to, wait a second, not there. This is also equal to B square over 2 sine beta into sine alpha sine gamma, right? So basically you can simplify this by saying, well, if the side B is given to you, divided by 2 sine of the angle opposite to B, so 2 sine beta, and multiply all of that with sine of the other two angles, sine alpha and sine gamma. Same is the case for this one. I'll leave that up to you. But this is the second case for finding the area, right? Now, let me just drop this off so we can discuss the third case. The third case states that when three sides are given to you, then you can use the Heron's formula. The Heron's formula is just very simple. The area of a triangle is equal to whole under root of s into s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c, where a, b, and c are the three sides of the triangle, right? So s over here is equal to a plus b plus c over 2, the three sides being added up divided by 2. Once you have all of this, you can easily find the area of the triangle.